In this video, I want to talk about 5G. 5G is the latest cellular connection, and I want to get to the bottom of this. I've been to New York City, I've been to Queens, I've been to Brooklyn in a matter of just all weekend, basically, Saturday and Sunday. That's why I wasn't able to edit a video. But then on top of that, I was also doing a film-only test on the iPhone 12 Pro, which this is it right here. You guys can see I have that gold. And by the way, the Pacific Blue is growing on me just a little bit. I actually like the way how subtle this color is. It's not too flashy, but you notice it's different. Absolutely love the blue too. What I ended up doing, I used the speed test app and I took a screen recording of each speed test. So this is all 5G. First test here. This was Saturday at 1:30 a.m. This is when I activated the iPhone 12 Pro, and I was able to get, look at that speed. It did went down a bit, but then it went right back up. And there was times where 5G was able to get 300 megs. So I wasn't even able to get gigabit speeds. You gotta probably be next to the nanowave tower or something like that. But even the upload speeds, very significant. This is like a home Wi-Fi connection here. But if I go to the next one, I even did like a little download test. I wanted to download the PS Remote Play and see if Remote Play even worked. But unfortunately, you still need Wi-Fi in order for that to work. Hopefully Sony can update that. But look, boom, downloaded within seconds, and I was so surprised. And you can even see the bars of 5G. I pretty much have a strong signal, and yeah, you guys can see I can't even do it without some kind of Wi-Fi connection. But I am gonna make a video talking about this, remote play on the PS5. But yeah, I'm downloading YouTube, and look how fast YouTube is gonna download. Way faster than LTE, and it just breezed through. Now YouTube is it's a little bit more, it's a bigger application, but it's still very fast nonetheless. And that for me is worth the upgrade. 5G is definitely real. Now results may vary because you could live in an area of like where 5G isn't available. So for you, it might not even be worth it. You may see those 5G results, but like I said, it varies. But for the most part, YouTube, look, it loads everything. I'm not even connected to Wi-Fi, so this is just incredible. Videos load within seconds. I even wanted to change the quality, get it out of 720p, make it 4K, and yeah, it's just no buffering whatsoever. All right, so I decided to download this video, and now if I go into my downloads, you guys can see it's just going through. This is just insane. All right, look, Instagram breezing right through like it's nothing. And I was able to open it, sign in, and then boom. When I signed in, everything loads up in the Snap. Not LTE, 5G is real. Look at this. It's just going through everything. Like all the images downloads, and it's just, I'm speechless, man. Pretty much similar internet. I have 300 megs, so it's very identical. Twitter, boom. Like Twitter was the fastest. And yeah, shout out to everybody who been showing me love on all my accounts. I see you guys. I don't know if I'm gonna do international shipping. It's a pain to ship phones internationally. But yeah, you guys can see 5G, 5G. Now there's times where it's a little disappointing. It's times where it's very disappointing, but there's times where it's like 239, 261, and even the upload speeds are pretty significant. But like I said, I haven't experienced nanowave 5G. Oh yeah, matter of fact, yeah, look at this. This was LTE and this was 110, and then look, 5G came in 239. It's very significant. But the upload speeds are about the same. That's the only thing. You're not getting 100 upload speeds. You're not getting 300. Download is like browsing through Instagram. You're downloading pictures. You're surfing the web. You're checking your emails. You're getting it from a server. You're downloading it. When you upload, that's when you like playing video games, or you uploading a picture on Instagram, or uploading a YouTube video. That's where the upload speeds come in handy. Now to activate 5G, for me, all I need is a 5G compatible device. In this case, I'm with Sprint. No need to upgrade my plan whatsoever. I'm not sure about AT&T, Verizon, or even T-Mobile. Do some research, talk to your carrier, ask them about it. Having 5G on my iPhone 12, spoiler alert, I think this is worth an upgrade. Just to having 5G, having faster cellular speeds on the go. But definitely want to check your coverage map. Make sure you have 5G in your area. And also, if you go into settings, cellular, and then go into cellular data options, you have voice and data, or data, or data, data. You can turn on 5G. That basically means 5G is going to be on all the time. And you have 5G auto, which the iPhone is going to intelligently switch the antenna radios whenever 5G is available. And then you just have strictly LTE. Now, 5G does drain battery life a little bit more faster. Now, before I deactivated my iPhone 11 Pro Max, I actually ran a little speed test. And man, looking at the download speeds and upload speeds, it's like a day and night difference. All right, so 16. But still, coming from 16 to 100, 200, even sometimes even 300, 5G, that makes that worth it alone for me. Yeah, and the upload speeds, definitely terrible upload speeds there. But is it worth getting 5G? I would say yes. I mean, if you have the money to spend, I would say yeah, 5G is pretty cool to have. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for the review, guys. So far, I absolutely love this phone, and it is time for me to review it already because I used the heck out of this phone already. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on so you guys don't miss that video. And once again, I appreciate all of the love and support